go inside of the school. Flaco needs a paper. Okay, kids. Now let's slow down a little. Take a deep breath and let's draw together. First, let's make a big shape. Nice and slow. Draw a big oval. Go up, around, and back down. Good job. It looks a little like a circle, but not quite. Almost a circle. Now, let's decorate our egg.
Yay!
Take your time. Let's add some lines. Straight lines, all wiggly lines, slowly, nice and easy. Now, dots. Tap, tap, tap. Little dots all around. And maybe some zigzags. Up, down, like tiny mountains. Beautiful. Now comes the fun part. Color it any way you like. Any colors you love. Red, blue, yellow, purple. All the colors we found today. Take your time. No rush. Your egg is special because you made it. Wow! Look at your egg. So colorful. So happy. Flaco loves it. Great job, friends. 12 eggs! We did it together! What an adventure! Hop, hop, Bunny! Thank you for helping us! You showed us the colors! You showed us the magic! And you helped Flaco find all the eggs! Yay! Flaco smiles. The bunny wiggles its nose. And together, they say, Happy Easter!